So today I have a review unboxing from ThreadBeast. I'm a real one. And what I mean by that is I'm a 30-year-old with 3 kids. I work construction. I ain't got time to go to no mall, drag the whole family out there. So I decided to go with ThreadBeast. I give my 100% honest review on the clothes in here, what they picked out for me. I'm going to see if it was worth buying this. This is the premium package. It's the top tier package. I think there's one more above this that's worth 200. This retailed at like 150, I think, after everything's all said and done. With the whole COVID shit popping off, I didn't want to drag everyone out to the mall, go to the mall, and do some shopping on my own. So I went to ThreadBeast.com, gave them my info. Stylist basically handpick clothes for you based off of your little profile description that you fill out on their website. I did that and waited about 2 weeks and they shipped this out. I don't know if it was UPS or what, but the box is pretty fucking smashed up. I ain't gonna lie. Luckily, it's just closed. To my knowledge, it's just closed. So without further ado, we'll get into the unboxing. Let's go. So, kind of have this kind of ghetto set up on the arm of my chair, but you'll get the main picture once I open this up. When I open it up, I'm going to give my first impression on whatever I pull out as far as clothes. I might throw them on, kind of stand in front of the camera, do a little pose, you know, we'll see how it goes. So, like I said prior, the box is fucked. If this was anything else, I'd probably be writing UPS a fucking email or something. But as I was examining the box, one of their slogans, or their slogan, is one less trip to the mall. So, you know, it's perfect. If you don't want to go to the mall, drag the family out or whatever, then go to ThreadBeast.com and give it a shot. I'm going to cut this right here. What's it say? Must-haves just for you. That's what it says. For a limited time, get a free package for every friend you refer. So, because my video sent you there, mention that so I can get a free package. Andrew Cobb, 2 B's in the C-O double B. Don't cut yourself. Let's crack this fucked up box open. Boom. Give you guys a little look at what I see. Little, I don't know what that is, sticker or something. I see some blue. I fuck with blue. Put this shit right here. So this is a pamphlet showing that it's my first package. This says, don't forget to log in and keep your style profile up to date. So if there's some shit in here that you don't really care for, but you wear it anyways, go into your profile on the website and change some shit around. From what I see, just from the top, it's going to be lit. Then it says, thanks again for joining. So let's get into the clothes here. This is the blue that I seen. Boulevard, I believe that's what that is. Yep, Boulevard Supply. Got a large. Man, I'm going to be looking like I'm crippin'. Now this shirt, I kind of like this shirt. It's sleek, it's simple. Looks like it's going to fit just fine. I don't really got too much blue stuff, so that's sick. I fuck with that. I'm happy. Right here, it's a gray shirt. Nick Graham. Drop some paper out. So this is just a gray t-shirt. Has a little logo here on the bottom left. Looks like a pit bull with 2 bones. I don't know what that's all about. I could fuck with this shirt, you know. A nice gray shirt. I mean, I have a purple shirt that's almost the same. It feels almost the same. So, gray shirt, I fuck with it. Blue and a gray shirt. That's what's up. So I just seen this, caught my eye. It's a new snapback. The City. I don't know. Just a black snapback. I don't know what this is all about. I'll rock it. Let me give it a good test. Rock that with that blue shirt. Be looking like a Crip or something. Got some socks. Crisp socks. Socks are always good to have. Next item. We got fucking, man, what the hell? Fucking Tiger Woods. I could go fucking shoot 9 holes on the golf course in this motherfucker. Oh, this is my bonus item. Cutter and Buck. Bonus item. Has a little sticker saying bonus item on there. Cutter Buck. C-Buck. Like I said, this has a nice feel to it, honestly, actually. I would seriously go shoot some golf in this motherfucker. You know, got this with some crisp socks, you know. So far I got 2 t-shirts, this motherfucking thing. Let's get in here. Oh shit. Now this is what I'm talking about. Update on the flannel, man. I rock flannels, that's my shit. And this is like a darker blue style flannel. Oh hell yeah. Been meaning to update my flannel game. This is a Grizzly. That's what's up. This should have been the bonus right here. What? They fucking sent me some sweatpants. So, shit. I'll rock these Now, this is cool, you know. A lot of like I said, I can't wear this shit to work because my line of work. Most of this shit will be worn on the weekend when I'm chilling. If I have to run to the store real quick, I'll throw these motherfuckers on. No problem. Last item in here. They got some fucking dress pants, dude. What the hell? I got some fucking khakis now. These are like, where's the fucking jacket to these motherfuckers, man? They look like I'm going to, look like a car salesman pants or something, dude. This is the last item in the box, and first impression, this is the worst. I'm gonna be fucking changing my profile and putting on the little notes. Don't send me these fucking dress pants. Like straight up, man. What the hell? They gave me some khakis, man. What the? And they're like vanilla color. They're like an off-white. Ooh, man. Everything leading up to this is disappointment. This is the worst item in the box. And that's crazy that it's last. I'm not just saying that. This is definitely not in my style profile. And I will be updating that right off the rip. Might do that after I make this video. Man, some motherfucking khakis. You know what it is? They want me to go golfing for real. These are pants your dad wears when you go golfing. These are 18-hole fucking golf pants, man. For real. That's what these really legitimately remind me of. Straight up. Ben Sherman. Ben Sherman. Take your grandma to church pants right here. From ThreadBeast. I don't fuck with these. I might wear them once or twice. Maybe keep them in the closet in case I find Jesus, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So that's one thing. So out of the whole box, least favorite right here. Most favorite, I'm gonna have to go with the flannel because I've been meaning to upgrade my flannel game. This is a nice, feels nice. It's kind of like a medium heavy flannel. I can rock this out in the springtime, which is right around the corner. Socks, they're cool. Hat, the hat's all right. I think I'm gonna get, there was a selection on the profile that asked if hats were okay, and I said, yeah, snapbacks, send them, that's fine. This one in particular, not my favorite. If I seen this at the store, I don't think I'd buy it, but I'm not mad at it. Not like those fucking khakis. These sweatpants, that's what's up. Spring right around the way. Like I said, if I'm just chilling on my day off, I'm gonna rock these for sure. When it's cold in this room and I want to get my game on, got these. This shirt, at first, I'm not gonna lie, at first when this was my bonus item, right here, when I found out this was my bonus item, I was kind of like, what the fuck? Not really my style, to be honest, but I think I could rock this. I think I could get into this no problem for a couple times. Maybe, like I said, go play some golf and this motherfucker would be alright. This gray tee right here, nothing wrong with this. You know, I'll rock this. Feels like a nice comfortable shirt, nice lounge around shirt. Rock this with those sweats, no problems. This blue shirt, I'm really feeling this Boulevard blue shirt. Yeah. So, my overall impression of my very first ThreadBeast box unboxing, my very honest opinion on that box. Needs some work. I need to go in to my ThreadBeast profile on ThreadBeast.com, and I kind of need to adjust some stuff. I'm not mad at this box whatsoever. Those khaki pants, I'm a little mad about, I'm not even gonna lie, but it's not the end of the world. I feel like I need to kind of do a little bit of research and see what I really got here to see if my money was well spent. And like I said, I'm gonna go update my profile. I'm gonna change some things, and I might send them a message that hopefully the stylist will get for my next box and let them know I got some khakis. I'm not too happy about it. The bonus item could have been a little bit better. I don't want no more snapbacks. Don't send me that shit. And we'll see with the second box. But, you know, I'm definitely going to go through with the second box for next month. And if that one's good, a third box, and then we'll see where we're at as far as my wardrobe. Honestly, out of a 10 rating, 10 being the highest, 10 being me being ecstatic, out of 10, I will give this full box a 6.5. If you liked this video, then hit that like button. If you look forward to seeing the second box, then subscribe. Hit the notify. ThreadBeast.com. One less trip to the mall.